Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be extremely different. This video is going to be a What's in My Handbag edition. And today I will be featuring the YSL Saint Laurent Loulou bag. And this is actually in the size medium, you guys. I purchased this handbag back when I went on my trip to California. Los Angeles, California last year, and I love this bag dearly. But the crazy thing about it, you guys, I rarely even carry it. And when I do carry it, I literally baby this bag. This bag, when I tell you, it's like my Coco Chanel double flap. Like, I'm sure I'll never probably be able to afford the Coco Chanel Jumbo double flap handbag. So this is definitely, I'll put it this way. This will definitely suffice. And truth be told, you guys, I love my contemporary handbags like Coach and Michael Kors. No shade to luxury brands at all. I do like luxury brand, like tongue tied, you guys. I do like luxury brands, but I'm not like a big fan of them. I am quick to be drawn towards my contemporary designers. But enough about that, you guys. We will go ahead, dive right into this video. Technically, with this video, I can't really link anything that is currently in stock due to the simple fact that I will be showing you things in my handbag. I mean, obviously, I could definitely link the handbag if you are interested in purchasing that. But yes, you guys. And then, of course, I could never, ever start another video without thanking everyone for just being a part of this incredible YouTube journey. Thank you so much. But enough about that, you guys. Let's go ahead and get started with this What's in My Handbag Purse edition. Okay, you guys, so let's get started. So beautiful, structure of the handbag. I absolutely love it. I am a sucker for gold hardware. I've really started to like silver hardware too, the combination of both. Just a little peek inside. This is what the inside of my handbag looks like. And I'm literally just going to be showing you things that I have. First, just starting off with this hairbrush. I literally purchased this from Walmart. Thing about me, you guys, I love to like smell good at all times. And the older you get, you might, perspirate like different odors, which is why I always keep, a thing of deodorant. You never know, you guys. And speaking of always wanting to smell good, I have this full-size bottle of body spray from Bath and Body Works. If you are interested in this, I think this is the spring edition. It's called Indigo Dreams. But yeah, you guys. And then also too, I do not play when it comes to like my oral like hygiene health. Hence, I don't know if you can see that, but that's basically like my next dentist appointment that I have. But this is kind of like my little bag that I carry with me like after eating and stuff. I have like a toothbrush. I have like a little mini thing of toothpaste. These like little floss pickers. I prefer dental floss though, but I just have those currently at the moment. And then yeah, I know this is like a travel size thing of mouthwash, but like I said, you guys, I do not play when it comes to my like oral hygiene, And then also too, I have this gum, Trident gum. I know the Trident gum, it's American Dental Association ADA accepted. So yeah, evidently it states it helps prevent cavities when chewed for 20 minutes after eating. So I love Trident gum. I've got the cinnamon flavor and the bubblegum flavor. Also too, you guys, and I should have shown you this earlier, it's just some body lotion. Like I said, I like to smell good and stuff like that. And then also too, with this little bag, this is more so like a little carry all bag. I have like medicine in here. And when I say medicine, it's more so like just ibuprofen and stuff like that, Tylenol, Pepto-Bismol tablets, if you have like an upset stomach. Let's see, I have earbuds, even though I know a lot of people don't even use earbuds anymore. People are more into like the are they called iPods, you guys? Oh my God, not iPods. I think they're AirPods. Anyways, I know it's the little earbuds, like if you're into those Apple products, because hence I do have like an Apple phone. I think this is like the 10, you guys, or whatever. But they have those like specially designed Apple like AirPods. Is that what it's called? You got, I don't know. But anyways, these are my old standby ones. I have this 10-foot long charger, and I actually featured this in my Amazon finds video. I purchased a 3-pack, so I just have like a backup one, just because you never know. You just never know when you might need to charge your phone. I also have like Neosporin, just in case like I get a cut or something. But you guys, I don't even have band-aids, so that's kind of going to defeat the purpose in the event if I did cut myself. Like, I've got the Neosporin but not the band-aid to go over the cut. And then I have, oh yeah, you guys, I keep like clippers, like fingernail clippers, and a fingernail file in my thing. And like I told you, aqua seltzers and Pepto-Bismol tablets, and then the Tylenol. But yeah, you guys, that's kind of like my little carry-all bag. And then also too, COVID is still amongst us, you guys. I don't think it's as bad as how it was, when it first started back in 2020, but I do keep, at least 2 pairs of masks. I know my employer that I work for, there are certain parts of the area where you do have to wear a mask. So yeah. Then I have like Kleenex. You just never know, you guys. You might have a runny nose, and especially with March, being literally right around the corner, like allergy season. So yeah, you guys, Kleenex. Now, this is like a little glass cleaner because obviously, you guys, you can see I do wear glasses, and I can't, have like smudgy glasses. That's going to make it difficult for me to be able to see. And then also, you guys, I do have a little miniature bottle of hand sanitizer. This is also too from Bath and Body Works, the Winter Candy Apple edition. I know it always comes out like around the holidays. And obviously, of course, my keys. And then also too, let's see, you guys, being a female, I don't know if this is TMI or whatever, but hey, us women go through things. So I just have like a sanitary, pad. And then also too, you guys, I just have my wallet. This is a Coach wallet. And yes, you guys, and I think that's actually it. Yeah, oh, actually a pen, you guys, an ink pen. But yes, you guys, but yeah, that's pretty much all that I carry in my handbag. Like I said, the Loulou Saint Laurent shoulder bag in the medium size. It is currently the bag that I am carrying. I do love this bag. I fell in love with this bag a couple of years ago, but when I tell you, you guys, the price from last year versus the price from now has significantly increased. And when I tell you, it took me a while just to save up to purchase this bag. And I will say, what made it more memorable for me is when I went to LA last year for the first time and being able to purchase it on Rodeo Drive. So that will definitely be an experience for me to remember. And I truly believe I will have this bag for years to come and to cherish. And hopefully, someday I may be blessed with a little, girl. And I would love to be able to just pass my handbag collection down to her. But you guys, like I said, I really can't link anything below for you guys. Well, like I said, obviously I can link the handbag. I know this handbag comes in a variety of colors when you go onto the YSL website, and then also to your other, department stores like Bloomingdale's, Saks. I know my mom, she actually has the exact same handbag, you guys, but it's actually in a brown color. And she purchased hers last year from the Saks. in the Birmingham area. If you're familiar, like with Highway 280, the Summit, within the Summit, there are several different like shops and department stores and Saks, Fifth Avenue being one of them. I know inside of the Saks, they do have like one of the Louis Vuitton like flagship stores, and then they have, of course, like other designer handbags. But yeah, you guys, she has this exact same purse in the medium size in the color brown, and it's just as stunning as this color. But yeah, you guys, I know I've been rambling and rambling and rambling, but as always, thank you so much for tuning in to this week's video. I will have the handbag listed and linked below in my description box. And please like, subscribe, comment, and until next time, bye.